In today's video, I'm going to show you 3 ways to use smart matting in Canva. Smart matting is a technology that is used to separate a subject from its background with high precision. It is the underlying AI that powers most background removal tools. In simple English, smart matting is the magic behind Canva background removal that makes your subject look crisp and clean. Here on Canva, we are going to choose a YouTube thumbnail template. And let's go over to our upload. This is the image we want to apply this smart matting technology to. The first method is to go over to edit. We'll be using the BG remover, the background remover here on Canva to remove the background. So you see it has taken out the background of our image. So I'm going to quickly add a second page and go back still on my upload to import this image again. Say I want only this image here, or only this one, or only this one. I don't want the 3 of them together. What I'm going to do is to go back to edit, and I will come over to where it says magic grab. As you can see, it's on click, so I'm going to be choosing to click this one. You see it has highlighted for me to click it. If I hover here, it has highlighted for me to click this, so I'm going to click on this one. If you look, it didn't grab everything around it, so I'm going to still click on this part of the dress to grab that part, so all of it are together. After I've selected the area I want its technology to be applied, I'm going to click on grab. So as you can see, I have my image as a standalone image. I can still go back again, go into the design and come back to magic grab. You see, it has given me more options to grab some other things individually. If I click, you see I have more options to still grab things individually. I'm going to click on this and grab it again. Now I have this separated. So if I go to the first page, if I use the BG remover direct, this one, that's what I use there. I have to start cropping, and you will see that to crop it, you will have to cut out some things there, So if you want a particular object from an image, I think magic grab is the best way to use the smart matting technology in Canva. So the third one, I'm going to add on that page, and I'm going to go over to our apps. I'm going to search for background eraser. I'm going to click on this one. Now you have the option to upload an image and watch your background disappear. So let's choose a file. You don't have the option to work on an image that is already on your design, so you have to upload the image. And let's ask it to remove the background. So you see, it took out this person in the middle together with the background. So with this background eraser, you can use it if you're using Canva free account to remove backgrounds from your image. The way they apply this smart matting technology, I think my best amongst the 3 of them, it's this magic grab in Canva. I think it does its job perfectly. So I just want to use only the background, I would use it. But just one quick thing you should know, that it leaves this hollowish space where you grabbed your image from. It's like you create something out of a wall and it's leaving that place hollow. Like this video if you got value from it. Subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Do have a good one.